Hello, my name is Gurvinder Singh. I am representing EEPC India. I am heading the Trade Promotion Department as a director. MTEX, as we all know, is coming after 4 years, and we have an old relationship with MTEX. We have been regularly doing buyer-seller meets with MTEX exhibition. This year also, we have got around 44 buyers from different countries, from United States. We have got the buyers from Japan. We've got a good number of buyers from Korea, Indonesia, Malaysia. We have buyers from Thailand, and host of other countries are there. This time I'm happy to note that Imtex, the kind of attraction which Imtex is getting, being the event coming after 4 years, there's a very good flow of visitors from the domestic side. And even for exports, we are getting a lot of inquiries from the members. Many members told me that they had a very successful meeting. Today only we started, and the feedback is very encouraging. We really hope that next 2 days the buyers will have good round of meetings, and we are also looking at a surge in overall exports, hoping that these kinds of initiatives will help members to explore more opportunities outside India. We will keep on doing similar editions in the coming year. We are also planning to do a lot of machine tool event outside India. In this financial year, we are also going to the event like in Mexico, Expo Manufacturer. Next year, we are shortlisted some good events for the machine tool sector, like EMO, which is one of the flagship shows in the world. World looks at EMO. We are also looking at Metal Robotka in Russia, Metalex in Thailand, and couple of more events to help the members to gain more of a market share outside India. Thank you.